talk about how can you fix this problem on your WordPress app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that in your app. So all you have to do in verse, so you just click here on settings here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this, and you go down. So you will find here apps, you click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list here. You will find here WordPress or search for it. You add WordPress, it's going to show for you like this. Click on it. You click here on force stop, you click on OK. So then you go down, you just click on storage here. You will find here clear cache, you click on it. So then all you have to do next, you just turn off your Wi-Fi and turn on it again, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. I wish you are great. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.